Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's been a while since I last posted something. I have been busy with my studies lately, but now I'm hoping to post consistently. So if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then please do so, and if you're already a subscriber, then thank you for your love and support. Now let's jump right into the tutorial. So today I'm going to show you how to paint phases of moon, this painting right here, using just two colors. So to begin with, I'm using these gouache pads from Zen Sangam. You can find them on Instagram or on Amazon also. But again, you can always begin with whatever materials you have if you don't have the exact same materials as mine. Also, this is a beginner friendly tutorial, so don't worry even if you are new to painting. Here I'm just sticking the paper to the surface using some masking tape. So I'm using gouache medium. Here is titanium white and here is black. These are the brushes which I will be using for this tutorial: a flat brush, a round brush and a fine liner for adding details. So before going in with colors, let's just mark the basic sketch of our painting. So here I'm dividing it into 5 equal sections. I'm using this cap to sketch out the circles. You can use compass also for the same. So based on our marking, we have to draw 5 circles in the middle, one in each section. Just repeat the process to draw all of them. Here I'm using the same cap again to make crescent and gibbous moon, and the middle one will be a full moon. So the portion which I am hatching here, we will cover it later with black paint. Now here we are, and it's the time to paint our first layer, which will be a black background. So just pick up your flat brush and cover the surface with black except our moon part. Just have a little control over the brush while you are putting paint around circles. For now, just cover most of the area around circles and we will take care of the details later. Now I'm using the round brush for defining the curves. Here I'm covering the edges and defining these shapes. So first we will be painting our full moon, again using only black and white. Now there is no certain rule for ratio of colors which we will be mixing here to create different shades, as it basically depends on how you perceive moon. It can be possible that my style of painting moon is different from yours, which is totally fine, so you can always add and subtract based on what you see and feel. Coming back to our painting, I am using a round brush to tap some grey gouache as base for a full moon. Now take some white and try to blend it with grey to add texture. Mix a bit darker shade to add some dark spots here and there. Do you know what these dark spots called? They are called craters, and moon surface is covered with thousands of these. Here I'm using the same technique again to blend it with base colors. Don't forget to wash off the darker shade before going in for this step. Now this step can take some minute of yours because it depends on how satisfactory it is looking to you. Is it fine or do you want to add few more strokes? So just invest few more minutes to give life to it. It's time to add final touches, and I'm doing this using white. Just add highlights on top to make it luminous. Some random patterns, some dots. You can use fine liner brush for all these steps. So we are done with the full moon. Now let's move on to the rest of them. So I will be showing you how to paint these two, and rest you can do by following the similar steps. Now let's paint this one right here, and we will be making this side blurry, and same for this one. Again I'm starting with a base grey layer and going with different shades to add depth, and lastly white for highlights. Take black color on the brush and start moving it inside along the curve. This will merge both the layers and give us a blurry effect. Now repeat the same steps for this one as well. So we have completed three of them, and oh my god, aren't they looking pretty? Anyways, let me just finish rest of the two and I will be meeting you again in few moments. And yeah, it's ready. Thank you all for joining me in today's session. I hope you like this tutorial. You can share your recreations with me up over on Instagram and do share your feedback and suggestions in comments below. And I will meet you soon with another fun painting session. Till then, take care. Bye bye.